Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make rollerblades more comfortable. These will be easy instructions in a full tutorial, so let's get right into this video. I will be outlining 5 simplistic ways for you to make your rollerblades more comfortable. Let's get into this video. I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. Number 1 is to wear a double layer of socks or just thicker socks in general. So you want to double up on your socks or just wear thicker socks. Oftentimes, the lining inside of the rollerblades wears down over time, and you need to wear thicker socks or more layers of socks to compensate for that. It's as simple as that, okay? Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is to get new wheels for the rollerblades if they are worn out. As you can see, these wheels right here are quite worn down, but they are not worn out. I'm talking about if your wheels are flattened, if your wheels are chipped or anything like that, those things will really affect the comfort level of your rollerblades. Something like this little chip, but many more of them or much bigger would definitely affect it. But these wheels are, I've definitely ridden these, I've worn these rollerblades and ridden in them many times. I'm not sure if that's the right word, but they're not worn down. But if you do need new wheels, if you do get new wheels, they will almost certainly make your rollerblades just generally more comfortable because it will be a smoother ride and a smoother transition between surfaces and so forth, okay? Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is to do them up more loosely or more tightly depending on your situation. If they feel like they're too tight, do them up more loosely. If they feel like they're too loose, do them up more tightly. It's as simple as that. So change the tightness level of how you do them up. And you want to make sure your foot is flat and your ankle is positioned properly in the rollerblades as well. Okay. Number 4 is to improve your overall skating / rollerblading form. If you are rollerblading and your back is slanted, if you're leaning too far forward, too far back, if you're pressing too hard on the ground, those things are going to affect your comfort level too. It might not be the rollerblades themselves, it might be you. So you want to definitely improve your overall skating form. And last but not least is number 5, which is that if your rollerblades are really worn down, get new rollerblades. I know that they can be quite expensive, but if you use them often, especially if you use them for transportation, it will pay itself off in no time at all. Now, like I said, there are many things you can do to make the rollerblades that you have more comfortable. But at the end of the day, if you're going to be investing in new brake, if you're going to be investing in new wheels, new straps, new lining, you might as well buy new rollerblades. So if you're going to be replacing multiple things, it's honestly probably worth it just to buy a new pair. So always keep that in mind. Weigh it out for yourself and you decide. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.